If you ever watched the lesson inside Skool and wish you could copy the transcript, take notes faster, or even summarize the entire video with AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you 3 different ways to get a transcript from a Skool video. Whether the creator has captions enabled or not, you will walk away with at least one method that works for your setup. By the end of this video, you will know the easiest option, a free browser-based method, and an advanced technique that gives you even more flexibility. And before we jump in, if you're not using Skool yet or you're thinking about building your own community there, you will find my link in both the description and the pinned comment below. It's the same platform we'll be using throughout this tutorial, so if you want to follow along, that's the easiest way to get started. Alright, let's begin with the simplest method. The first thing you should do is check whether the video already includes captions. So I'm gonna go ahead to this community, right? YouTube Mastermind free. Head over to Classroom. Gonna go ahead to step 1, day 1, and I'm gonna play this video, right? Now, instead of watching the video completely here, I'm gonna go ahead and watch it fully on YouTube because it's already embedded there, right? Now, you can scroll a little bit down. Below the description, you're gonna see show transcript. Just press it, right? And you can see right here, basically the timeline and what did he say, right? Or what did she say in this video. So you can see right here the transcript, right? This is the simplest method, right? And basically that's it. If the course creator has enabled captions, you can simply turn them on and follow along also as the video plays, right? But I don't advise it if the creator hasn't built their own like subtitle video, because because that would put you like in a risk, because there is a lot of errors there, so you won't capture the full like sentences, right? The only limitation is that not every creator enables captions when uploading their lessons, right? Even if they do, just watch out for the even simplest like slangs or whatever. That's where the second method comes in. This only works surprisingly well. It doesn't require like the course creator to do anything. So go ahead to the Skool lesson you want to transcribe and copy its URL. So since we are here, we're gonna copy the URL here and go to a website called youtube-to-transcript.com and paste the link here. Press get free transcript, and all you gotta do is just wait a few moments and they will transcript everything. Like they will transcript the full video, right? So depending on the tool you choose, you can either paste the video link or simply let the extension listen while the video plays. And I'm gonna get to the third method, which is the extension, but just hang in there. So you can see right here, this is the transcript, right, from the full video. So yeah, that's the second method. Now, when it's finished, you will have like a complete transcript that you can copy, export it to Google Docs, or even paste into ChatGPT or another AI assistant to generate summaries, study notes, or action items. Now, here's a small tip that could save you time. If you're only interested in the transcript, increase the playback speed to 2 times, right? Most transcription tools still capture everything accurately, right? Even the ahs, ums, etc. And you will finish much faster if you like use the 2 times speed. Now, by the way, if you're following along inside Skool, remember you will find my Skool link waiting in both the description and the pinned comment below. Now let's move on to the third method, which is the extension, right? So you're gonna search for YouTube transcript and add it to your Google Chrome, or in my case Brave, which is the same thing, right? The same like settings and interface, etc. I'm gonna add it to my Brave, right, or your Google Chrome, and I'm gonna play the video and activate the YouTube transcript, right? And basically all you gotta do is just play the video, right? So let me mute the video because I don't want to hear it, and turn on the extension, or basically play the extension, right? And the AI will basically capture every minute of the video, right? So once you locate the video file, you can open it directly, right? And let the extension do its thing, right? You can also use like AI tools like Veed or other AI, but if it's long form, you may need to pay a price, right? So yeah, some videos are delivered like through streaming systems that you don't expose a downloadable media file, and you should always respect the creator's permissions and the platform's terms of use when accessing or reusing course content. So let's quickly recap here. Method 1 is checking whether the creator has enabled built-in captions or transcription feature here from YouTube, right? Method 2 is using an AI-based tool to transcribe the video. All you gotta do is just paste the link or upload the video to the platform and let it do its thing, right? And you can copy it to take notes, maybe delete a few things, etc., right? Lastly, the YouTube transcript. You gotta download an extension from Google Chrome Web Store and add it to your extensions. And all you gotta do is just press to activate the tool while playing your video. I advise you using the transcript feature from YouTube, or go ahead if you want more organized like file or more organized text, go ahead to youtube2transcript.com, paste the link and let it do the whole work. So yeah, if you're planning to build your own online community courses or memberships, Skool is definitely worth checking out, right? And all three methods work in different situations. So simply choose the one that fits the lesson you're watching and your level of technical experience. So yeah, you will find my Skool link in both the description and the pinned comment below if you'd like to get started. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Skool tutorials, creator tools, and practical online business guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.